Hey, welcome to John's Guitar Lab. Today, you know the tune, Twist and Shout, but we're going to do it with that new position that was in one of my previous videos, with the bar going across. All right, and then we're going to use the G bar and the A bar. All right, what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to show you the pictures of the chords, so you'll see your fingering, and then we'll talk about how we're going to play it. Remember this one? Famous D bar, going all the ways across and with the three fingers doing this. And as I said in a previous video, if it's really, really hard, take that finger off and just use the small bar with this finger. You know what's happening, right? I'm looking through this backwards. I'm leaving this in. I think it's funny. All right, you just take this finger off. All right, and it's right there. Okay. Can we get a shot of both of these together? Can we see that? Okay, that's good. Full bar, half bar. All right. This chord, the G bar. Okay, going all the ways across here. We getting a shot of that also? All right. And A bar. Okay. For those that played Twist and Shout, okay, I'm sure we remember how it goes, shake it up, baby. All right, the thing now is we want to do here, you see what's happening with the movement? Shake it up, baby. Difficult for you to do this. Okay, we've got that. Here, see what happens with the bar, what I'm doing? I can do the 5th string, 5th fret. You hear the difference? I mean, it's good, but this has a little bit of... Okay, so do that, practice that. Use Twist and Shout, and again, we're using on purpose, we're using tunes that we have done in the past, because when you know it one way, with a it one way, it's a lot easier to just concentrate. Let's say, okay, yeah, I know the way the chord progresses or the chord progression goes, so I can concentrate with the left hand. All right, that's what we're doing with this one. Twist and Shout. Any questions? The comments below. All right. Again, not easy. None of this, if you want to play it correctly, none of it's going to be easy. All right. So, you work at it. And again, if it turns out to be that difficult with the full bar, just use. All right, but little by little, see if you could work that out. It's not a chord form, especially with rockers and blues players and stuff like that. This is not a chord form you're really going to see. It's not something that's really used. People that use this form more than likely, such as myself, have somewhat of a little bit of a classical background, because with the classical guitar it's a very common formation. All right, but I love the way it sounded, you know, like if I was playing a rock thing, especially if you're playing like say two guitars or something, or just the guitar and a singer, you know, it really, it gives that guitar like a, you know, instead of a sound here, it gives the guitar like that. If you have a bass player, you know, and they're doing, you could even, you know, then it doesn't matter. But we're preparing you if you're just playing the guitar yourself, okay? And, you know, let's say you want to sing along, or you're backing up a singer and you want to see, hey, can I get a, you know, a more wider sound, a fuller sound? That's what this does. All right, so again, it's your choice. No harm, no foul either way. All right, listen, please subscribe. Give me the thumbs up if you like it. And again, and as always, if you have comments, questions, down below. Good luck with this, and have a wonderful day.